Alright, here we are at Bell Creek Nature Preserve in Hillsborough County. Probably about 7 minutes from Golden Aster Preserve. And this is the entrance. A little information on the DeSoto Trail. I'll have to look that up a little bit later. Alright. So you got a little information on Bell Creek Nature Preserve?
Yes. When I went to print out the trail map, which, by the way, Hillsborough County is very good about having trail maps for all of their parks and preserves. They have a whole hiking club or something. So they encourage and motivate people to do this. But on the site, I saw that this Bell Creek Preserve nearly became a housing development. And construction progressed enough to where there is a road at the south end, like a partial road, and then was halted. And I meant to look that up, and then I got busy with other things. But I do intend to find out, like, what happened. Was it outcry from other, you know, community members, or what the deal was? But yeah, so I found that out, I think, on maybe floridahikes.com, or maybe it was the Hillsborough County site. But yeah, so darn good. Also, I found out that we want to take the red trail. This was on floridahikes.com. We want to take the red trail to the blue I'm sorry. The red trail turns into a blue trail, but we want to stay on the red trail because it opens up to a wide field where you can find short wooden boxes where burrowing owls nest.
Oh, that would be nice to see those.
So it would be nice to see those. And I think just like in Cape Coral, where they're quite prevalent in the area, they've got like little areas in people's yards, burrowing owls. And we saw that a few years ago.
Very interesting.
So,
I think you have a burrowing owl in your shirt right there.
Yes.
Look at that.
They're very cute.
Probably
They're the
not
size
by
of a soda
accident.
can. Yeah.
All right.
So we look forward to this.
Here we go.
Off we go.
However tempting that might be, this is not a public trail.
We appear to be on the road that had been constructed for the housing development when they were going to go ahead and do this. So
Yeah.
If you think about it, possibly there would have been houses on either side. A mailbox right there. All this would have been cleared for a pristine manicured green lawn.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now it's an abandoned bit of blacktop.
Yep. Where wildlife can flourish.
Awesome.
So,
Without getting run over.
yeah.